Hello students, today I am going to define a definition, that is equation of the plane passing through the intersection of two planes. Okay, so coming to the definition, so we are having two planes. One is a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 is equal to 0 and it is named as pi1, and the second one is a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 is equal to 0 and it is named as pi2. Okay, p2 intersecting planes. So now if you want to write the equation of the plane passing through the intersection of these two planes, then the formula for that particular plane equation is pi1 plus lambda into pi2 is equal to 0. Okay, so whenever we have given two plane equations, and if you want to find the equation of the plane passing through the intersection of those two planes, then the formula what we have to write is pi1 plus lambda by 2 is equal to 0. Here lambda is a parameter. So we have to find that particular lambda and substitute in that particular equation. Then we get the equation of the plane passing through the intersection of two planes. Okay. So for understanding, I am giving you one example, of course, one problem. So coming to the problem, so find the equation of the plane, find the equation of the plane passing through of the plane through the line of intersection of the planes. So the first one is x plus y minus z minus 6 is equal to 0, comma 2x minus 4y plus 3z plus 5 is equal to 0, and through the point 1 comma 1 comma 1. Okay, so in this particular problem we have to find the equation of the plane passing through the intersection of these two planes, and also that particular plane is passing through the point 1 comma 1 comma 1. Okay, so by using the above point, by above definition, we are going to find the equation of the plane, so for this particular problem. Okay, so coming to the solution, I am treating the planes as, so given planes are, so the first one is pi1. I am treating the first one as pi1, that is x plus y minus z minus 6 is equal to 0, and the second one as pi2, that is 2x minus 4y plus 3z plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, these are the two given plane equations. Now by using the above definition, I am going to write the equation of the plane passing through the intersection of the given two planes. Okay, so the equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection of the planes, so the first one is pi1 is equal to 0 and the second one is pi2 is equal to 0, is we have to write the formula pi1 plus lambda into pi2 is equal to 0. So this is the definition. So just now we discussed in the above of problem 1. Okay, so if we want to write the equation of the plane passing through the intersection of the two planes, then the formula for that equation of the plane is pi1 plus lambda into pi2 is equal to 0. So that we have to substitute the values in this equation. So the pi 1 is nothing but x plus y minus z minus 6 plus lambda into pi 2 is 2x minus 4y plus 3z plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the equation of the plane passing through the intersection of the given planes. Okay, so and this equation can be written as, so if you take x common in both the terms, in both the plane equations, we get 1 plus 2 lambda. Similarly, if we take y common, we get 1 minus 4 lambda. Similarly, if we take in z common, we get minus 1 plus 3 lambda. And finally, coming to the constants, we are having minus 6 plus 5 lambda is equal to 0. So treat this as equation 1. This is our required plane equation. Okay, in this equation we have to find the value of lambda. Okay, so in the problem it was also given that the required plane equation is passing through the point 1 comma 1 comma 1. Okay, so it means our required plane is passing through the point 1 comma 1 comma 1. So with the help of that point we are going to find the value of lambda. Okay, so also comma given that equation 1. So equation 1 is our required plane. So equation 1 passes through the point 1 comma 1 comma 1. It means we have to substitute in place of x, y and z by 1 comma 1 comma 1. So that we get, so 1 into 1 plus 2 lambda plus 1 into 1 minus 4 lambda plus 1 into minus 1 plus 3 lambda. Next minus 6 plus 5 lambda is equal to 0. Okay, so if we simplify this step, we get 1 plus 2 lambda plus 1 minus 4 lambda plus minus 1 plus 3 lambda minus 6 plus 5 lambda is equal to 0. Okay, so coming to the lambda values, 3 plus 2 5 lambda, 5 plus 5 10 lambda, 10 minus 4 we get 6 lambda. Okay, so coming to the constants, 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 1 1, 1 minus 6 we get 5, minus 5 sorry, is equal to 0. So that we get 6 lambda is equal to 5 and the lambda is equal to 5 by 6. So the value of lambda is 5 by 6. Okay, now we have to substitute this particular value lambda in the above equation, that is we have to treat this as a. Okay, so now substitute lambda is equal to 5 by 6 in a. Okay, in the equation a. So then we get x plus y minus z minus 6 plus lambda. So in place of lambda we have to write 5 by 6 into, so 2x minus 4y, so plus 3z plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so in the next step we get x plus y minus z minus 6. I am taking this positive term to the right side so that it becomes negative. It means we get minus 5 by 6 into, so 2x minus 4y plus 3z plus 5. Okay, so on cross multiplying with 6, we get 6 into x plus y minus z minus 6 is equal to, so minus 5 into, so 2x minus 4y, so plus 3z plus 5. Okay, so now we have to multiply on LHS with 6 and on RHS with minus 5. So that we get 6x plus 6y minus 6z minus 36. And on RHS we get minus 10x plus 20y minus 15z minus 25. So all the terms should bring to one side so that we get 6x plus 10x. Okay, next plus 6y minus 20y. Next minus 6z plus 15z. So I have bringing all the terms on RHS to LHS. Plus 15z minus 36 plus 25 is equal to 0. So that we get 16x plus, sorry, minus 14y plus 9z minus 11 is equal to 0. Okay, so 16x minus 14y plus 9z minus 11 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the plane passing through the intersection of two planes and also through the point 1 comma 1 comma 1. So the point 1 comma 1 comma 1 was given to find the unknown value, that is lambda. Okay, so in this way we have to find the equation of the plane passing through intersection of the two planes. Okay, so coming to the next problem. Coming to the second problem, here we have to find the equation of the plane through the line of intersection of the planes, x plus 2y plus 3z plus 4 is equal to 0, comma 4x plus 3y plus 3z plus 1 is equal to 0, and perpendicular to the plane. So and perpendicular to the plane, x plus y plus z plus 9 is equal to 0. So in this problem we have given that the required plane equation is passing through the intersection of two planes and perpendicular to another plane. So this was the hypothesis given in this particular problem. Once again we have to find the equation of the plane by this data. Okay, so coming to the solution, once again I am writing the given planes are, and also naming them as pi1 and pi2. So the first one is pi1, x plus 2y plus 3z plus 4 is equal to 0, and the second one is pi2, that is 4x plus 3y plus 3z plus 1 is equal to 0. So once again I am writing the definition, that is the formula that the equation of the plane through the line of intersection of pi1 is equal to 0 and pi2 is equal to 0 is, so pi1 plus lambda into pi2 is equal to 0. So this is the definition of equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection of two planes. So one is pi1 and the second one is pi2. So the formula is pi1 plus lambda pi2 is equal to 0. So in this equation we have to substitute the values so that we get x plus 2y plus 3z plus 4, okay, plus lambda into, so pi2 is 4x plus 3y plus 3z plus 1 is equal to 0. So treat this as equation A. Okay, so once again we have to write this particular equation in a way that we have to take x common so that we get 1 plus 4 lambda. Okay, so coming to the y term, we get, when you take y common, we get 2 plus 3 lambda. Okay, so coming to the z term, if we take z common, we get 3 plus 3 lambda. And finally coming to the constants, we are having 4 plus lambda is equal to 0. So treat this as equation 1. Okay, so now we have to find the value of lambda. After finding the value of lambda, then we have to substitute that lambda value in equation A, then we get the required plane equation. Okay, so in a previous problem it was given that the required plane equation is passing through the point 1 comma 1 comma 1. So whereas in this problem it was given that the required plane is perpendicular to another plane. Okay, so that I am writing that given condition. So given that, so since one is our required plane, so that I am writing given that one is perpendicular to the plane. So the given plane equation is, the third one is x plus y plus z plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the given plane equation, and this particular plane equation is perpendicular to our required plane equation. Okay, so we have already discussed that whenever two planes are perpendicular to each other, then we have the condition a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. Okay, we can use that particular condition. Okay, so now I am writing that then we have, I am writing the condition a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. So here a1 b1 c1 are nothing but the coefficients of x comma y comma z in equation 1, and coming to the a2 b2 c2 are the coefficients of x y z in equation, of course we have to treat this as equation 2. Okay, so are the coefficients in equation 2. Okay, I'm writing a1. So a1 is the coefficient of x in equation 1, so that is 1 plus 4 lambda into a2. The coefficient of a2 is nothing but x in equation 2, that is 1. After that we have to write 2 plus 3 lambda, that is the coefficient of y in equation 1, into the coefficient of y in equation 2, that is 1. Coming to the coefficient of z, that is 3 plus 3 lambda into the coefficient of z in equation 2 is 1. Okay, is equal to 0. Okay, so by using the condition we get this equation. So on simplifying this, we get 1 plus 4 lambda plus 2 plus 3 lambda plus 3 plus 3 lambda is equal to 0. So in adding lambdas, we get 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10 lambda. And coming to the constants, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, plus 6 is equal to 0. It means we get 10 lambda is equal to minus 6. This implies lambda is equal to minus 6 by 10, and on simplification we get minus 3 by 5. So the lambda value is minus 3 by 5. So after getting lambda value, once again we have to substitute the lambda value in equation A. Now substitute lambda is equal to minus 3 by 5 in equation A. Okay, so once again I am writing the equation A, that is x plus 2y plus 3z plus 4 plus lambda. Lambda is nothing but minus 3 by 5 into 4x plus 3y plus 3z plus 1 is equal to 0. Once again we have to shift the negative term to the right side, so that we get x plus 2y plus 3z plus 4, and on shifting this negative term to the right side we get this is equal to 3 by 5 into, so 4x plus 3y plus 3z plus 1. Okay, and I'm cross multiplying with 5, we get 5 into x plus 2y plus 3z plus 4 is equal to, so 3 into 4x plus 3y plus 3z plus 1. Okay, so now we have to multiply on LHS with 5, so that we get 5x plus 10y plus 15z plus 5 4s are 20 is equal to 3 4s are 12x plus 9y plus 9z plus 3. Okay, so we have to bring all the terms to one side, so that we get 12x plus 9y plus 9z, this is 9z, sorry, this is 9z plus 3, and I am bringing the left side terms to the right side, so that we get minus 5x minus 10y minus 15z minus 20 is equal to 0. So 12x minus 5x gives 7x, 9 minus 10y gives minus y, 9z minus 15z gives minus 6z, and finally 3 minus 20 gives minus 17 is equal to 0. So this is the required plane equation passing through the line of intersection of the two planes, and also perpendicular to another plane equation. Okay, so in this way we have to find the required plane equation. So I have given you one problem, that find the equation of the plane through the line of intersection of the planes and passing through the origin. Okay, so once again by using the above formula, we have to find the equation of the plane passing through the intersection of those two planes and passing through the point 0, 0, 0. Okay, thank you.